Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Hermosa hair once more. Okay, today we're doing the purple drawstring back packaging and it's branded. So let's get into it. I have the wig and let's see what goodies we got on the inside. I got a pair of HD wig caps. I also got a pair, well, 2 pairs of lashes. And lastly, I got a Hermosa branded elastic headband. And that's everything in the bag. Alright, so for today's wig, guys, we got this gorgeous straight texture, 24-inch straight texture wig, and it's it's actually a 1B color. This, guys, is a pre-cut lace closure wig. Alright, I'm so happy to bring this to you. It's a 5x7 lace closure wig. Now, as I say, I don't know, I say them around the place, but they're really and truly so convenient because you don't have to apply any product to this for it to look really realistic and snugged on your head, like, and stay. Like, it looks so good. The lace that we're working with is a medium brown, and I'm going to be sure to put the specifications so you can see all, like, those details, like, you know, the density and all of that in my description box. And it feels really good, really nice and silky. It's not overly silky. It does have a little bit of like coarseness to it, but it's not like really coarse, if you get what I mean. It's like that nice in between thick feeling. So I like that, and it's very full to the tip of the hair. As I said, it is 24 inches long, and you know, you're gonna have a nice deep parting space with this. So in terms of the cap construction, it's a regular dome cap construction, and then they added this elastic band. It's an adjustable one, so you can make it more like loose or tighter to your preference. It all depends on what's more comfortable on your head, and there are no combs on the inside, so you'll be just fine with the elastic band. Looks really, really good, and I'm happy to bring another convenient glueless wig to you guys. So now that I show you guys the wig, let's go ahead and slip this on. So this is how it looks once I slip it on, guys. So what you have with this is like a deeper, like not deeper but wider space in terms of the lace closure. It just doesn't come down to the side burn portion, and I find it to be convenient, you know. Like, I've been wearing a lot of these wigs since recently, and I find that it's way more convenient. Like, whenever you wear a like full-on lace front, which I still do love wearing, but for some occasion, like when you wear it and you wear it for a prolonged period, the ear portion is where it starts to lift first. And it can be a little bit annoying, especially if you're not that versed with installing your own lace front wig. So these are very beginner friendly. So what I'm actually going to do, I'm going to deepen the middle part, and I'm going to just use my hot comb to lay it flat, and then I'm going to run through it really quickly with my flat iron, just so that everything looks more together. So I'm going to speed through this portion really quickly. So I'm gonna go ahead and brighten the party now that I've laid it, and then I'm gonna run through the entire wig with my flat iron. So yeah.
out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't want to show.
This is too gorgeous. Like, as I've been saying this, like, they're really upping the quality of their, just overall, like, these companies, they're really bringing it. They're bringing their A game, and this is another one. Like, see? Absolutely no adhesive, laying really flat. That's something I always look for, like, especially these days when everything is just like upgraded and like way better than before. I definitely look for that in my closure glueless wigs, like to see how flat it lays, because that really enhances the realistic look of things. And I mean, you don't want anything less than that. So Hermosa definitely delivered. And as I say, I love the space that you're provided with in the front in terms of the lace closure, because you could do a nice side part. You could really switch this up to your liking, how you really want it to be. And I love that. You could go ahead, put the hair behind your ears if you don't want it all down in your face. Like, it's nice and versatile for a closure wig, you know, for a closure wig. So I'm really impressed. It was really easy to work with, you know. It's really a throw on and go, guys. I've been saying this, the most time you're going to spend on this is really to just straighten it and probably lay it with your hot comb. But if it's a case where, you know, you do that today, you don't have to do that tomorrow if you're going to be wearing it tomorrow, you know, especially if you're going to be taking it off. It's got to be left in perfect condition. So I feel like, again, a 10. I highly recommend. The shedding is very minimal, so please note that, very minimal, and it's a nice standard straight texture wig. So I am very pleased, very pleased. The movement is beautiful, the luster is beautiful, it's nice and full, and I feel like it's also very true to length. Okay, so I'm going to be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, as well as other specifications as mentioned previously, so please go ahead, check that out. Thank you guys for checking out today's wig look. Shout out to Hermosa hair once more. It's really quick, easy, and to the point, you know, and I've been into this kind of vibe since lately. So yeah, let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you in my next video.